Hey guys, Smelling Roses here. Earlier today I was watching several YouTube videos and it seemed like everybody was complaining about the weather. Everybody said it was a lot of rain and they couldn't get out. You guys know that I never let a little rain stop my adventures. I love being in the forest when it's wet. Just something very mystical about it. And I always say there's no bad weather, only bad gear. I'm out in the coastal area of Virginia today, only about 20 feet above sea level here in this area. I'm in Sussex County in eastern Virginia. This is public land, but there's no trail here. So I'll make my way down towards the river. As everyone noted, there has been quite a lot of rain recently and the river is up quite a bit. I don't think it's fully flooded, but we'll see how close we can get. There's some really nice bald cypress down next to the river, so hopefully that area isn't too flooded and we can go check it out. Earlier this morning, this area experienced some snow showers mixed with a little freezing rain and sleet. Nice wintry mix. The temperatures have now warmed up above freezing. Though we're still in the low 30s, but the precipitation has turned to just rain. So it's a very cold rain here on a late February day. Okay, normally I would continue across this area, but can see it's flooded, so we'll try to find a way around. Alright guys, this low area is where all the bald cypress are. The main channel of the river is way out there, but this little low-lying area is completely flooded. Looks like it's flowing pretty good. It's amazing how different this place is every time I come out here.